So let's continue working with nouns. Remember the question, how do you say the in German? In other words, the word that you place directly before a noun like the dog, the house, the car. In German, the is either der, das, or die. You can think of it in general as just arbitrarily assigned to a noun. So when you learn a noun, it's going to either have der, das, or die before it, and you pretty much have to memorize that article with the noun. So let's learn a little bit more. The house in German is das Haus. The house, das Haus. The house, das Haus. The flower, die Blume. The flower, die Blume. The flower, die Blume. The computer, der Computer. The computer, der Computer. The computer, der Computer. So let's review what you just learned and apply it. So the house, das Haus, the flower, die Blume, the computer, der Computer. So notice we have one of each, a der, a die, and a das noun. Okay, so let's apply the nouns using the verb sein, which you already know. So if you want to say the house is, it would be das Haus ist. Das Haus ist. The flower is die Blume ist. The computer is der Computer ist. Now we can use adjectives with our verb sein. So big, groß, small, klein, old, alt, and new, neu. So I can begin making sentences here. Very simple sentences, but still complete sentences. If I want to say the house is big, I could say in German, das Haus ist groß. The house is small, das Haus ist klein. The house is old. Das Haus ist alt. The house is new. Das Haus ist neu. The flower is big. Die Blume ist groß. The flower is small. Die Blume ist klein. The flower is old. Die Blume ist alt. The flower is new. Die Blume ist neu. The computer, der Computer. The computer is big. Der Computer ist groß. The computer is small. Der Computer ist klein. The computer is old. Der Computer ist alt. The computer is new. Der Computer ist neu. That's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.